Welcome to RERi PV TV The Day with the latest news from the international photovoltaic market in cooperation with solarserver.com. Thank you for watching. The Schott Solar AG has announced that it will close its crystalline silicon solar photovoltaic manufacturing business in 2012. Schott states that it will continue to meet its guarantee obligations and will retain an after-sales PV service team. The company will continue to manufacturing amorphous silicon thin-film PV modules in Jena, Germany, as well as components for concentrating solar power plants, short CSP. Schott has more than 54 years of experience in PV manufacturing. The company began producing PV cells for space travel in 1958 and for terrestrial applications in the 1960s. The company began series production of PV modules in Europe in 1978. A large number of German PV manufacturers have either left the business or declared insolvency since December 2011, including former PV manufacturing market leader Q-Cells, Inventux, Solon, Soltecture and Sovelo. Centro Solar Group AG's French subsidiary announced that it is serving as the main supplier for a project to build 190 building-integrated solar photovoltaic short BIPV plants in the roofs of structures in northern France for a total of 3.7 megawatts. Centro Solar will supply 90,000 BIPV modules for systems to be built in roofs in the Seine-Maritime belonging to housing developer Habitat 76 on behalf of Électricité de France. Centro Solar notes that BIPV plants qualify for additional incentives in France. The first PV plants in the project comprised of 1,975 Centro Solar S-Class BIPV modules on a roof area of 3,388 square meters were commissioned in Dernetal in February 2012. The company expects the project to be completed in June 2013. Centro Solar notes that it generated 62% of its revenue from international sales in 2011 and that France is one of its largest markets. ECO Electromecánica from Spain has announced that it has integrated the Industrial Research and Cooperation Association of Andalusia in an industry consortium to improve concentrating solar power technologies, short CSP. The corporation will participate in the development of new heating and temperature maintenance technologies. Abengoa Solar New Technologies leads the industry consortium. The growing exigency for temperature maintenance solutions in CSP plants calls for more ingenious and sophisticated approaches concerning heat tracing systems from both technical and procedure points of view, notes Xavier Alberts of AKO in a blog post. These changes are critical to ensure the availability of next-generation CSP technology, therefore becoming essential in order to help CSP engineering evolve towards a competitive energy source. AKO also notes that it has hired staff with strong research background to assist with this task, as well as developing relationships with national university clusters. As far as the news for this day, if you like, tomorrow we are online for you again. I wish you a nice evening. See you.